Hey guys, and welcome back to this week's video. We're going to be comparing two bags. This is Teddy Blake. You've probably seen this on social media. I'm going to be comparing it against the Chanel double flat bag to see if Teddy Blake's claims are true. This bag is over $10,000 at the moment. Prices did go up, and this one is $1,500, but they have it for a little bit over $500. Teddy Blake is an Italian brand made in Italy, and they are handmade. Usually when you find bags that are handmade, these bags come from Europe. The bag comes in a huge box, and it also comes with a dust bag. This is the same thing for Chanel. Chanel comes with its own dust bag with instructions, but Teddy Blake didn't come with instructions. Also, if you guys don't know, Chanel is a French brand and their bags are very expensive. They are considered to be investments because if you take care of the bag, you can resell it. Teddy Blake bags can be purchased on their websites, and as you guys have seen, Chanel bags, you can go directly to the store and buy them. Chanel bags tend to be very, very expensive, whereas Teddy Blake bags, when you get on their website, you're going to see that they have huge discounts. Like I told you guys, the one that they sent me is $1,500, and then the Chanel bag, it's very pricey. It's actually gone up in price. In case you guys are wondering, the Chanel bag is a leather bag in caviar, and caviar is the shiny material that tends to last longer, in my opinion, than some of the other materials they have for leather bags. When you look at the design for the Teddy Blake bag, the first thing that comes to mind is Hermes. It has a very similar design, in my opinion. This is a shoulder bag. It's made out of calf skin. It has a microfiber interior, has gold detailing. At the very bottom, it has like the little studs that protect the bag when you put it on a flat surface. And it also has a little pocket on the inside where you can store more things. The Chanel bag, on the other hand, is a bigger bag. The Chanel bag has obviously the double flap. It has the compartment, it has the little pockets inside as well, and then it has a little pocket in the bag where you can put in things. What are the pros of a Teddy Blake bag versus a Chanel bag? Number one is the price, and number two is that it's very good looking. For example, when you buy a designer bag, since it's handmade, something that you should keep in mind is that for the most part, I've always mentioned this in my videos, the stitching is very precise, and this is something that the Teddy Blake bag has. Also, the type of leather that it has is very sturdy and really holds everything together. It looks like a really well-made bag. Something that I did notice is that the bag doesn't stretch very much, but the inside of the bag, you can store a lot of things in it. It can hold pretty much a lot of things. Although the bag does seem small, I'm 5'2", and I have very small hands, so I think if I would have gone up in size, it would have looked like a suitcase, basically. Something else that I love about the Teddy Blake bag is that it looks very elegant. This could be a day or night bag, and most importantly, it could be an everyday bag. Usually Chanel bags are not everyday bags. One, because they're expensive. I know for some people they are. And two, because you don't want to ruin the bag, especially if you have it to maybe one day pass it on or to resell it. If you scratch it or anything, then yeah, it's going to go down in value. Something else that I really like about the Teddy Blake bag is that you can take it everywhere because of its size. With the Chanel bag, remember that I told you guys in a separate video that you couldn't use it as a crossbody bag because it was really big. Well, with the Chanel bag, I went all out, I got the jumbo, and yeah, it's a very big bag. But the Teddy Blake, I've taken it to really fancy places and people always stare at the bag. When it comes to leather material, the Chanel bag is a different type of leather, and then the Teddy Blake obviously is not crocodile, but it's good quality, which is something that if you're gonna invest $500 in a bag, that's still a lot of money. You want something that is nice looking, that is durable, and something that if you're gonna use it on an everyday basis, it's not gonna get ruined. Also, something that I really like are the little handles that it has for you to close the bag and secure everything. Well, I usually have the bag open. My mom always tells me, you're gonna spill everything, like everything's gonna fall out of the bag, but the bag itself is so sturdy that none of that happens. On their website, you're going to see that they have so many styles, and out of those styles, they have so many colors. They also have different designs, and some of them remind me of like Chloe bags, but then again, you're getting them at a discount. Here's the big question. do Teddy Blake bags meet up their standards, and can they compare to other designer bags like Chanel, Hermes? In my opinion, yes, to a certain extent. I think for the price, you're getting a really nice bag that is extremely well made. The quality, in my opinion, for Teddy Blake is really nice. And like I told you guys, I get compliments on these bags. Girls who have like Hermes and they have Chanel's, they look at the bag and they tell me that they really like the design. Now, $500, like I told you guys, is a lot of money, but if you want something that you can wear on an everyday basis, then for sure. So it is up to you. If you want to spend $500 on a bag, or if you want to go all out and spend thousands of dollars on a bag, it is really up to you. I think if you want to save money, but you still want to dress and like wear a badass bag, Teddy Blake is for you. I'm going to be inserting all of their information down below, as well as a generous discount code, which you could use. I know Black Friday is around the corner. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you subscribe. And I'm going to leave more videos that I've done reviewing Chanel bags, Hermes bags, also another Teddy Blake bag. So I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye.